Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English with Joanna. A lot of my students say she don't have time today, which is incorrect. So today's topic is when do we use don't and when do we use doesn't? Let's find out together how to use them correctly. Before we dive in, a quick reminder. I help Spanish speakers sound natural and confident in English. So remember to like, share, and subscribe for more easy to follow lessons. Now, back to our topic. When to use don't and when to use doesn't. Imagine being in a big city. And don't and doesn't are in opposite directions. Don't is towards the left and doesn't is towards the right. And then the bus comes to take people to don't. So let's see who's getting on the bus. I, you, we, they, and all the plural nouns, like the children, the parents, and even the dogs and the apples. So who's left? He, she, it, and all the singular nouns, like my brother, the pen, and even the cat. They are going to doesn't, and they are going by car. Now, let's look at some examples of correct use. Remember that he, she, it, and the singular nouns are going to doesn't. He doesn't like crowded buses. She doesn't enjoy waiting for the bus, so she requested an Uber. The bus doesn't operate on this side of town, so we drive instead. While I, you, we, they, and the plural nouns are going to don't. I don't like driving in heavy traffic. That's why I take the bus. You don't have a driver's license, so the bus is a good option. We don't enjoy walking in the rain. Children don't ride their bikes to school because it's too far. They hop on the bus instead. It is incorrect to say, he don't take a taxi to work. Or, I doesn't enjoy driving at night. The bus don't stop at this station. Or, we doesn't ride our bikes during the week. You say, I, you, we, they, the babies don't. And he, she, it, or the rabbit doesn't. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below what helps you remember how to use don't and doesn't correctly. I'd love to hear your stories and any other topics you'd like to see explained in easy to follow lessons. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fluency tips. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And see you in the next video.